Alright, we're out here in Martin County. I want to show you the facility that if, when the U17s, U15s come, this is where these are the pitches. As you can see, very nice surface. This is a newly acquired surface out here. Multiple surfaces are available. You can see the lighting, quality surfaces. You have this indoor part right here where seats will be. So the team will have at least 3 surfaces available to them. All the way up the top there, you see those buildings would be where they can do indoor stuff. If there are any issues in terms of rain or poor weather, they could operate indoor. And this is what we want for the youngsters. Imagine them having a 1-month camp where all they have to focus on is football. And this is far away from the regular community, so that means it will be isolated. Beautiful facility. So the team would have a place like this to train and to prepare for their tournaments. I mean, there are also plans to probably get something here in the USL as well that would provide opportunities for other Jamaicans. So there you go. This is it out in Martin County. This is one of the proposed location where the under 15 or under 17 team will be prepared once the coach has been installed. What we call the Jamaican US-based team will do their preparations here. As you know, players from Jamaica itself will also travel up to join the Jamaican, the US-based Jamaicans to prepare and train here out in Martin County. This is in Florida. Beautiful, nicely manicured facility here. You see the markings, all of that. And this is, they are changing rooms, bathrooms, everything here at this facility. Again, you can see it is well lit, which means that they can train morning, they can train in the evening as well, and there's more space. So by the time we get here, there's a small surface you see over on that side as well, beyond those trees. And behind these buildings, they are already starting to work and creating a couple more pitches around here. There you go. You can see it is not as properly taken care of yet because they haven't started the work on it. But by the time the team gets here, you will see that this place is ready to facilitate even more groups. So you could have your goalkeepers, your defenders, your forwards, all on different surfaces preparing. And again, you want your U teams to be on proper facilities, proper surfaces, learning their craft and developing. So for I Am Sure Sports, I am Manning's man out here looking at options available to our junior teams so that we can have them qualifying for multiple World Cups. Again, want to say a big thank you to Freddie Butler and other past players who have helped to put this together so we can look at possibilities. And it is now up to the Jamaica Football Federation to make some decisions so greater actions can be taken. Enjoy the rest of your day. This is Manning's man reporting to you from Martin County in Florida for I Am Sure Sports.